Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world of programming? We're living in an era where AI is permeating almost every field imaginable, and programming is no exception. As we look back, we see the rise of AI, not as a sudden flash but as a steady, relentless sunrise, casting its transformative light on the programming landscape. Imagine a world where routine tasks are automated, where AI sifts through lines of code, spotting bugs and even creating code itself. It's not a distant sci-fi fantasy but a reality that's unfolding before our very eyes. AI's capacity to learn, adapt and improve is altering the way we think about programming. It's not just about writing code anymore, it's about crafting intelligent solutions that learn and evolve. In this new dawn, AI is more than just a trending topic or a buzzword. It's a game changer, a new paradigm that's redefining the contours of the programming world. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer in the programming world. But what exactly is AI in programming? Imagine you're writing a book, but instead of just you and your imagination, there's a co-author. This co-author isn't a person, but a system that learns from your writing style, suggests improvements, and even spots inconsistencies or errors you may have missed. That's akin to what artificial intelligence, or AI, does in programming. At the heart of AI in programming is the ability to learn from previous coding patterns. Just like how a child learns to speak by listening to conversations around them, AI algorithms can learn from millions of lines of code written by humans. They can understand what efficient and high-quality code looks like, and then suggest improvements in your code based on what they've learned. But it's not just about making suggestions. AI can also be used to maintain code quality. It's no secret that even the best of us make mistakes. In programming, a small error can lead to big problems. AI can help reduce such human errors by automatically checking for common mistakes, such as missing brackets or incorrect variable types. So where does machine learning, or ML, fit into all this? Well, ML is essentially a subset of AI. While AI is the broad concept of machines being able to carry out tasks in a way that we would consider smart, ML is a specific approach to achieve AI. In the context of programming, machine learning algorithms can be used to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. This means they can get better at suggesting improvements or spotting errors the more code they analyze. In essence, AI in programming is like having a co-pilot. It's there to assist you, learn from you, and help you navigate the complex world of coding more efficiently. It's not about replacing human programmers but rather augmenting their abilities, making their job easier and their code more robust. So AI in programming is all about making the code smarter, more efficient, and less prone to human errors. Now that we understand what AI in programming is, how can we leverage it to our advantage? Well, the possibilities are endless. One of the most practical ways to harness the power of AI in programming is through AI-based tools. For instance, auto-completion tools, which use machine learning algorithms, can help programmers by predicting and completing codes, thereby speeding up the coding process. AI can also be a lifesaver when it comes to debugging. Some AI-based tools can identify and fix bugs automatically, saving programmers hours of tedious work. And let's not forget optimization. AI can analyze your code and suggest improvements, making it more efficient and faster. In this rapidly evolving tech world, staying updated with the latest AI trends in programming is crucial. The more you learn about AI, the more you can incorporate its power into your programming practices. By embracing AI, programmers can not only enhance their coding skills but also stay ahead in the competitive tech world. So what does the future hold for AI in programming? Brace yourselves because the landscape of programming is set to radically transform. Artificial intelligence, already a game changer, is poised to become an inseparable part of this realm. Imagine a world where AI augments human capabilities, automating routine tasks and freeing up developers to focus on the more creative and complex aspects of programming. Picture an era of self-learning programs, capable of identifying bugs and fixing them autonomously. Envision a time when AI tools can predict user requirements and tailor software accordingly. The future of programming is not just about coding, it's about coexisting with AI, learning from it and leveraging it. It's about adaptation and evolution. The programmers of tomorrow will not just be coders, they will be innovators, thinkers, and problem solvers. As we step into the future, AI in programming is not just an option, it's a necessity.